everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you this makeup look which is basically for teenagers. So this is like an everyday makeup look that a teenager can pull off very easily, and this look requires minimal amount of makeup and very less products. Also, I have used all the drugstore products so that it is easy for a teenager to grab those products. So if you want to know how I get this look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so number one step is to moisturize. You can't skip on this step, it is really very important. And I'm going to use all the drugstore products for teenager makeup so that it is easy for you to grab those products. So the one that I'm using is from Pond's and it is their super light gel moisturizer, and it is for all skin types. It is so hydrating and it is non-oily and non-greasy. And now I'm just gonna pat it on my skin and you can instantly see that radiant and that glow it has given me. So here I am using this BB cream as my base makeup because it also has SPF 30 PA++, so I am not gonna apply sunscreen because it already has. So now for your teenage makeup look, you have three options as your base makeup. Like, it is not a base makeup, it is just to hide any imperfection or blemishes or some spots that you have. So one, you can use a very lightweight foundation. For that I'm gonna give you an option of L'Oreal Infallible foundation. It is super awesome and it stays for a really long time, so yeah, that's why. Second, you can use a concealer, a lightweight concealer like the PAC one or the LA Girl concealer. It is really good. So you just have to spot correct. You do not have to apply the concealer all over your face, just under your eyes or where do you have pigmentation or acne scars whatsoever, you can apply that. And the third option which I really love is applying a BB cream. BB cream is really good because it has a moisturizer, it has a tint of color just like a foundation, it has SPF 2, so that's why BB cream comes really in hand when you are like doing some everyday or college or office kind of makeup. And now how I like to apply is I dot it everywhere. This much I have used and I have taken just one pump of this cream and this much is still left, which I use it under my eyes. And now to blend this BB cream, you can either use your fingers or brush or a damp beauty blender, but make sure your beauty blender is damp. And applying your BB cream with a beauty blender is pretty quick actually. And BB cream is like highly recommended for teenagers because it is super light on face and it gives a very skin-like finish, like you are not wearing anything but you still have something on your face to hide those imperfections or something. And now whatever is on my beauty blender, like there is nothing left, but still I'm gonna run it under my eyes like this. And now when you're done with BB cream, it is really important to set it. So for that you can either use a compact powder or you can use a loose powder. So for loose powder, I have this drugstore loose powder which comes for rupees 500 or 600 something, but it runs for a really long time. I am having it since I started my YouTube channel. Now how I like to set my makeup is, first just run this beauty blender under your eyes if there is any creasing. And now I dunk my beauty blender into the powder like this way and like look down and just set your under eyes like this. Yes, and now for my face, I take the same product like the powder on my beauty blender like this and push it into my skin like this, and now just blend it. And also this is very affordable, like this also comes in drugstore category. This retails for rupees 150 and the brand is also good. This is from Color Bar. And now that's it for the base makeup, and now let's move on to eyes. For eyes, only two products that I recommend is a brow product and your mascara. These two products are really important and they both make a huge difference to your whole look. And for my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild retractable pencil. So I just like to comb my hair first, and you do not have to be precise while filling your brows. You just need to fill in these gaps that you can see. First I line the upper line and then the lower one, and then I fill in the gap. And for this area I just like to go in with these small strokes very light-handedly. Alright, and now the last and the final product for my eyes is mascara. Like, I only like to go in with the brow pencil and the mascara. If you're a kajal person, then you can totally go in with that. And this is the one that I'm using. This is their Lash Renegade mascara from Wet n Wild, and it is like quite affordable as well. And next I'm gonna go in with lipstick, and for lipstick I love to apply an everyday pink sort of color. This one is I Choose, and this retails for rupees 600 or something. Like, this looks very pretty and very natural everyday kind of color. Yes, and also whatever is on my finger, I'm gonna use it as my blush. So you don't need so many products for your makeup. You can just try using one product in multiple ways. So I like to take it all the way till my temples. Yes, and now if you want to leave your face like this, you can totally go in with that, but I need a little bit of highlighter because I really love highlighter. And I have this highlighter from Wet n Wild, really affordable, and apply it on the highest points, you can see. And then I take Beauty Blender and run over it so that it looks all natural, like you can see. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you learned something new today. So this makeup look is super wearable. This is not like only for teenagers. This is for beginners as well. This is for those who like minimal makeup look on their face. This is for those who want to do this makeup like on everyday basis. This is very minimal makeup using very less products. So if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, I will see you in my next video.